Hi there, today we're going to be making a Negroni, which is one of my favorite cocktails. It's an Italian aperitif and it's only 3 ingredients, which makes it really easy, but it's also super drinkable and great any time of day, but especially after a long day of sessions. So there are just 3 ingredients in a Negroni, and the main component is Campari, which is an Italian liqueur, and gin, of course, and then a classic ingredient in a lot of mixed cocktails, which is vermouth. And I like to use an Italian sweet vermouth because the sweetness really complements the bitterness of the Campari and the botanical notes of the gin. These are the 3 ingredients we'll be using today. So let's get started. First, you want to put a good bit of ice. And you really want to use a lot of ice because you're putting 3 different liqueurs in, and so it'll actually melt the ice. And this one's super easy because you just put an ounce of each. So now we're just gonna shake this up, and you wanna shake it long enough, probably about 30 seconds, so that it gets really, really cold, and so that some of the ice does start to melt and get incorporated into those liqueurs. Just make sure it's on really firm. Give it a good shake. And then you're just gonna strain it into your cocktail glass. And you get this really beautiful color, which is the signature of the Negroni. And then we're gonna garnish this with just a little bit of an orange peel. And before you put it in, you wanna twist it. It releases just some of the essential oil, and that way you get the great botanical and the aroma of the orange when you sip on your Negroni, and that's it. So cheers, and enjoy the rest of the meeting.